Hey there! Are you ready to change your life and unlock incredible opportunities? Welcome to Split the Winnings, the opportunity of a lifetime, the ultimate Powerball lottery pool that could lead you to big wins and even bigger earnings. Imagine this. Every Monday night, you get to play the Powerball with your own set of numbers. No changes allowed. You join a vibrant community of like-minded individuals all eager to cash in on the excitement of the Powerball. But wait, there's more. Every time you win, even if it's just a small prize, you're not just winning for yourself. That's right. You share in the excitement with your fellow members. From $2 to life-changing jackpots, our unique structure means that every winning ticket is a collective victory. Now let's talk about our incredible referral program. When you bring friends into our lottery pool, you're not just expanding your community. You're multiplying your earning potential. Each new member you refer gives you a 100% check matching bonus. That means if your friend earns $141, you earn $141 too. How amazing is that? And the earning doesn't stop there. With our 3x3 matrix, you can earn $2 for everyone on first level, $3 for each person on your second level, and $4 for each person on your third level. Plus, get this. Our membership is only $29.99 a month with a one-time setup fee of only $10. Or supercharge your potential with our quad pack for just $119.96 a month where the setup fee is waived. This allows you to earn up to $564 when the matrix is complete for each position, plus another $141 times 3 or $423 in check matching bonuses for the first 3 positions, which is a total $987 a month residual. This gives you the chance to play on up to 484 Powerball tickets a month. Talk about maximizing your chances. Join a community that's not just about playing the lottery, but about building a legacy. Our lottery pool gives you the chance to play 4 times a month, and every ticket increases your chances of winning big. Are you ready to seize this incredible opportunity? Click the button below to access our AI assistant, Emily. Your questions will be answered in real time, helping you understand how to get started and make the most of your lottery pool experience. Don't wait. Complete the form provided and take the first step towards transforming your life. Join us today at Split the Winnings. Discover the winning possibilities that await you. Let's win together. Click that button now and let's get started.